Hey there! Today let's explore how Stoicism can be a game changer for your productivity. We all know the feeling, struggling with procrastination, feeling overwhelmed by endless tasks, or just not knowing where to start. Well, Stoicism offers some timeless wisdom to cut through the clutter and help us focus on what really matters. Let's dive into some practical ways Stoicism can boost our productivity and help us get things done. One key principle in Stoicism is focusing on what's within your control. When you have a long to-do list, it's easy to get paralyzed by thinking about everything that could go wrong. But instead of stressing about the outcomes, focus on the actions you can take right now. Epictetus said, "Make the best use of what is in your power, and take the rest as it happens." This means dedicating your energy to what you can do. Write that email, start that project, or make progress on what's right in front of you. By letting go of worrying about the result, you'll free up your mental energy for action. Another powerful Stoic tool is called the dichotomy of control. When you're overwhelmed, take a moment to sort your worries into two categories: things you can control and things you can't. Focus your energy only on the things in your power, whether it's how you plan your day, the effort you put into a task, or how you respond to setbacks. This will help you manage stress and keep moving forward instead of getting stuck in the fear of what you can't influence. Lastly, Stoicism teaches us to embrace discomfort. Often, procrastination comes from avoiding tasks we find hard or boring. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Understand that the discomfort of doing a hard task is temporary, but the reward of completing it is lasting. By leaning into discomfort, you not only get things done, you build discipline and strength that make you more resilient to challenges. So whenever you're struggling to get started, remind yourself of what's within your control. Embrace the discomfort and focus on taking action now. By applying these Stoic principles, you can boost your productivity and find more fulfillment in each day. Remember, the power is in your hands. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and if you found these Stoic tips helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Stay strong, stay focused, and see you in the next video.